If you want to know where the best donuts are in Phuket, then check out this video. It's all about donuts. I don't want one. Hello, Jay Leshark here, and I'm at the map, but I'm not with Sean, and I've got sugar all over my face, and obviously I'm dressed as a donut. Why am I dressed as a donut? Very, very simple. Every video we do about the tours that we go on, we say this. And then you get here and welcome to the map, and then your guide will meet you, and then we've got coffee. Don't have the coffee because it's terrible, but we've got donuts and other drinks and stuff. That's right, donuts. We have donuts. So one day Sean and I was talking, and he said, oh, donuts are good, aren't they? I said, yeah, they're better than the coffee. That's because the coffee is terrible. But are they the best donuts in Phuket? Well, I then thought about that and thought, let's go on a mission to find the best donuts in Phuket. So I decided to take you with me. So are you ready? That's where you say, yes, we're ready. Good. Right then, we're going to head off and go and check out some donuts around this beautiful island of Phuket, because realistically, I just want to get out of the office and go and eat donuts. So, come on, let's go, eat donuts, whoa! First stop, control, Dunkin' Donuts. Come on, camera lady Julie, keep it up. Look, Dunkin' Donuts. Right, so this is our control. So we're going to get one glazed and one chocolate from this place. Dunkin' Donuts. Look at all the donuts. Oh, I've got to do it myself. I thought you have to do it yourself. Right. What one should we go for? Boston cream or chocolate flour? Boston cream or chocolate flour, what do you think? Definitely glazed. Right, so one glaze. How much get? I guess we'll try the Boston cream, huh? Let's go crazy. Boston cream. Got that? Just the 2 donuts, please. Thank you very much. Oh, lovely. Let's go. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts done. Right, next stop, second stop, Chicken Cafe. Wow, that's a lot of cactus, or cacti. Not sure what the plural is. Surely it's cactus. Is it not? Cacti. I don't know. Anyway, spiky. Okay, second spot. Good cafe. It's got to be good because it's got a massive cock as its logo. Right, donuts. Oh, sorry. Do you want to come in? Right. Classic almond, salted caramel, chocolate almond, chocolate brownie. Which ones? Which ones? I want them all. Look, there's Fang. There's my camera lady. Hi. Donuts, donuts, donuts. Donuts, donuts, donuts. Come here, you. Hello. Please may we have one glazed donut. And plastic donut? Not plastic donut, the glazed donut. Oh, classic, yeah, sorry. I thought you said plastic. I don't want a plastic donut, that's not good. And what do you reckon? What should we go for? I don't know. Let's go and try the chocolate almond, nodding, or the brownie. Well, you've got to help. Julie, the camera lady, is not being very helpful. Which one do you want? Chocolate brownie or chocolate almond? Chocolate brownie. So one classic and one chocolate brownie, please. Take away, yeah? Take away, please. Hey, I thought this place was called the Good Chicken Cafe, but it's not. Apparently, it's called Good Forest Local Artisan Cafe. There you go. Good. Right, donuts. 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 Can I just say that we're not getting nothing for free and I have to pay for everything. And Sean hasn't given me any money. None at all. 200 okay. Good deal, yeah? No? Come on, let's negotiate. It's haggled. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's go eat donuts. Haha! Donuts, coffee, next stop, Phuket town. Here it is, the third stop, John Donuts. Let's do it. Oh shit. It's closed. We didn't do our movie about John Donuts, because John Donuts is closed on Tuesday. Someone should have done research and planned it better. Should we come back tomorrow? Yes. Hello. Right, here we are at John Donuts. Now you might have noticed different sunglasses, different top, whole new outfit. That's because we came yesterday on a Tuesday and we discovered that John Donuts closed on Tuesday. So don't come to John Donuts on a Tuesday, but definitely come any other day of the week. Right, you ready for donuts? Yes, good. Come on in. Donuts. Donuts. Look. Right. Oh, that one I'm not going to like. That's green tea. Boston one I've had is good. Chocolate almond, good. Lemon meringue, good. Ruby red berry crumble, good. Strawberry cream cheese, good. Vanilla cream brulee, good. Peanut butter. I'm not sure about peanut butter. John's Bride. Ooh, cheeky. Cheeky one. Apple fritter, good. Cinnamon, good. They're all good. They're all good. Right, we're going to get a box of donuts. So we need. I want a box of 6. 6. 6. Yes. How many donuts do we get in a box of 6? 6. That's a surprise. Okay, let's get a box of 6. So I need to choose 6. Okay, so let's get. Oh, I definitely want the yeah, that one. Do you only have one of those? Okay. Yeah, one of them, please. Hold on 2 seconds. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Oh, there's the apple fritter. Oh, you wanted the big one. Let's go for the big bad boy. Yeah, let's go crazy. And then what we got? That's 2. And then let's try. What else should we try? So much to have. Let's go for the. Let's go. Now a bomba barbo is an Italian type one, isn't it? So let's try the bomba barbo with. I like lemon, but let's go with strawberry. Strawberry bomba lumba bobba blah. And I always think that we should try apple fritter. Looks good. Let's go for the cinnamon.
Sugar cinnamon?
Yeah, one sugar. How many is that?
Now 3 and 4 for sugar cinnamon. More 2.
No, I've got more too.
Yeah.
Well, let's go for. Of course you do. Of course you do. You reckon that? Okay. Oh, I can get my hand in it. Found a little treat. I've got my hand in it. All right, let's try the creme brulee one. Yeah. And let's go. Oh. Maple bacon. Shut the front door. That's bacon on a. Yes. Bacon. Bacon on a donut is the best thing ever. Wow. Oh. Look at them. Oh my God. There's one missing. Oi, cheeky. Where's my other one? Bacon donut. Right. So excited. Look. I got a box of John Donuts. Woohoo! Right. And because I'm cheeky, I've got to pay for this in a minute. Look at that. And that one's for me. A little glazed donut, my favourite. Right then, let's wrap this up. Right, back to the office.
Thank you, Uncle Jay. You bought me donuts. What? 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 I quit.
Don't. I'm sorry, they're John Donuts, they're lovely. Sure, I love John Donuts. John Donuts are the best. Thank you, John Donuts. Yummy. Woohoo! I have a massive apology to make. Now, normally we would do taste testing of the donuts to work out which one was 3, 2, 1. But unfortunately, I ate them all. So they're all gone. But John Donut 1. It's the only donut he's getting. Anyway, thanks for watching. He's really upset. He's really upset. Look at him. He's gone back to working mode.